What? Some sweets? Yeah, please. Thank you. 4. Over there is the Queen Mary 2, and along with some other boats. Well, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. 53% of you aren't subscribed that are watching my videos.
If you subscribe today, I'll gain another 200 subscribers overnight, so hit that subscribe.
Today's video is a collaboration with one of my YouTube friends. Her name is Oksana, and she's got a YouTube channel for art like me. Her channel's called Paint Paper Planet by Oksana. Paint Paper Planet.
She chooses one of my paintings that she likes and she does her version of it.
And I choose a painting that she's done that I like, and I'll do my version of her work. And it can be different because we're obviously painting in our own styles, but we're doing our version of it, if that makes sense. So go check her channel out. And that is the one I'm going to be working on. Go support her.
Somewhere along the way, somehow we ended up at a crossroad and we got lost. Somewhere you chose to go left while I turned the other way, and you got lost. Want you to know for all I know, even if the road ahead is long and winding, even if the road behind us left you crying, even if the tears come streaming down your face, it's gonna be okay. Take a walk and I join you. Just leave a trace and I follow. Make a wish and I make it come true. For all I know, even if the road ahead is long and winding, even if the road behind us left you crying, even if the tears come streaming down your face, it's gonna be okay. What if you turn around and look at me? Then you'll see my love's for real. Just take a walk and I join you. Leave a trace and I follow. Make a wish and I make it come true. Want you to know you'll be okay. For all I know.
What do you think to my new painting then?
A bit messy. And a bit scribbly. Don't you think?
We'll leave it to that, thanks. See you next time. Tune in and don't forget, word to your mum.